AD 2004. Two of the greatest minds on the internet meet. AD 2006. They combine their talents into one. Awe-inspiring animation and humor beyond compare. AD 2006. Again. The duo set out to create the greatest Flash animation ever. Boom! An inconspicuous large red button. I see that no repercussions can possibly occur from pressing it thusly. There, all is well.
Meanwhile in Canada... Oh man, life is so boring, eh? I think I'll go ride a moose. I sure love to ride my... Oh, I'm just walking along in a random white void, looking for an interesting plot development. Hello there, I am a giant lemon. Oh my god. Yes, that is me and I am he. He be me, but more importantly, who be ye? Well, my good sir, I am a generic passerby, just making my way to yet another cameo appearance. Well, that is splendid, so it is, but unfortunately you cannot continue. Why? Because I am an asshole. Oh. Well, that seems very reasonable, and I respect your shove! Oh no, I appear to be falling into a giant juicer. I can honestly say that I did not see that coming, so I didn't. Hurrah! Ah, what the hell. Whee! Cha-la-la-la-la-la. Ooh, a penny!
Hello, I'm a magic penny. Have some freaking wishes.
Okay. I wish for infinite wishes.
What? You can't ask for that.
Why not? I wish for it.
That's not how it works. Explosion bow.
Cha-la-la-la-la-la.
Whoa. 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 It's a chair. I cannot believe it. A chair. Oh man. Chair. Hey dude, come over and look at this. What's so interesting, man? Holy crap, is that a chair? Yeah, man, a chair. Whoa. I know, man, I couldn't believe it myself. Chair. Oh man, I love this chair. Yeah, me too, man. I'm bored now. Yeah, let's go play Tetris. Tetris! I love Tetris! Yay! Hey, is that a lamp? Please help me, I'm gonna fall. Do not fear, for Captain State the Obvious is here. Yay. So, are you gonna save me or what? You are hanging onto a ledge. Well, yeah. And you're at risk of falling to your death. I know. You are in need of assistance. Oh, well, thank you, Captain State the Obvious. That's all I wanted to hear.
Do not worry, needy citizen. Apathetic bloke is here.
Oh, you know what? Just screw this. Credits, credits, credits. Watching all the credits. Look at all those names go by. Not as good as eating pie. Smoking weed will get you high. I hate you all and hope you die. This movie sucks, so I'll say bye.